10 natural ways to get rid of spider mites. As a professional gardener, I understand the frustration that comes with dealing with spider mites. These tiny arachnids can wreak havoc on your plants, causing damage to leaves, flowers, and fruit. While there are chemical pesticides available on the market, many gardeners prefer to take a more natural approach to pest control. That's why I've compiled a list of 10 natural ways to get rid of spider mites. Number 1. Blast them with water. A strong stream of water can knock spider mites off of plants and disrupt their feeding patterns. Number 2. Neem oil. Neem oil is a natural insecticide that is effective against spider mites. Mix 1 tablespoon of neem oil with a gallon of water and spray the solution onto the affected plants. Number 3. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as peppermint, rosemary, and eucalyptus, are natural spider mite repellents. Mix a few drops of your chosen oil with water and spray onto the plants. Number 4. Insecticidal soap. Insecticidal soap is a natural and non-toxic way to kill spider mites. Mix 1 tablespoon of liquid soap with a gallon of water and spray onto the plants. Number 5. Predatory insects. Ladybugs and lacewings are natural predators of spider mites. You can purchase these insects online or at your local garden center and release them onto your plants. Number 6. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a fine powder made from the fossilized remains of diatoms. Sprinkle it onto the leaves and soil of your plants to kill spider mites. Number 7. Garlic spray. Crush several cloves of garlic and steep them in hot water for several hours. Strain the mixture and spray it onto your plants to repel spider mites. Number 8. Horticultural oil. Horticultural oil is a natural and effective way to kill spider mites. Mix 1 tablespoon of horticultural oil with a gallon of water and spray onto the plants. Number 9. Vinegar. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water and spray onto your plants to repel spider mites. Be careful not to use too much vinegar, as it can damage some plants. Number 10. Remove infested leaves. If all else fails, the best way to get rid of spider mites is to remove the infested leaves from your plants. This will prevent the mites from spreading to other parts of the plant. By using these natural methods, you can effectively control spider mites without the use of harsh chemicals. Remember to regularly inspect your plants for signs of infestation and take action as soon as possible to prevent further damage.